One of the most important survival skills is to make fire. Our strategy was to use flint and steel. Ben brought in a block of flint, and he also brought in a Swiss Army knife. When we went out, it was not too windy, so we were in luck. It only took about 3 strikes until the twigs and sticks caught fire. We were successful in the end. Although our fire was a success, making fresh water took some time to get. One of our fails was we took a pond water, a plastic water bottle, and charcoal. We put the pond water and let the charcoal filter it. It did not work because once we squeezed the water into a clean cup, it came out black. We were missing some sand, which would filter the water even more. We learned from this experience and we adapted to the situation. We had to be cautious while doing these tasks. Some of our safety concerns were poisonous berries, getting hurt while looking for food and water, and making fire. A hypothetical one would be electric wires being down and debris everywhere.
Our third and final attempt at purifying water was successful. We poured fresh water into a large bowl, then put a smaller bowl in the center, topped it with a glass pot top, and watched the water evaporate overnight.
For our hunting aspect of gathering food, I decided to use a slingshot to get squirrels. Using this method, I would say you could get a fair amount of meat if you're hunting for about 10 hours a day, and on average it would take about 30 minutes to get an animal. I displayed my method to get squirrels by hitting a rock about the size of a squirrel from 15 yards away, which I would say is a reasonable shot for squirrel hunting. Now it did take a few tries, so maybe the first few days I wouldn't get that much meat, but the more times I go out, the better I get at aiming, and the more likely I am to get squirrels. Each squirrel has about 3.5 ounces of meat, and there are on average 30 squirrels per 10 acres, and Rocky Hills has about 84 acres.